Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to use sketch stairs in Revit. This powerful tool allows you to create unique and complex stair designs that standard stair tools cannot. We will cover the fundamental steps, starting with accessing the sketch mode. You will learn about the three critical components: the boundary, the risers, and the stair path, which are essential for any custom stair creation. First, you will use the boundary line tool to define the overall shape and outer edges of your stair. Think of this as the perimeter. Next, you will draw the riser lines, which represent the front face of each step. It is crucial that these lines are parallel and evenly spaced for a consistent stair. Remember, all boundary lines must form a continuous, closed loop. After defining your boundaries and risers, the next step is to draw the stair path. This single line dictates the direction of travel and how your steps will be numbered. It must start at the first riser and end at the last, crossing every riser line in between. This path is vital for Revit to correctly interpret your sketch and build the three-dimensional stair. Once all three sketch elements are correctly drawn, simply click the Finish Edit Mode button. Revit will then generate your custom three-dimensional stair. You can further refine its appearance by adjusting properties such as its overall width, the number of risers, and material finishes. Don't forget to add railings and landings to complete your unique and functional stair design.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.